Okay, so this is number 19 on the simple packet. Not a bad problem, but still a little bit tricky. You have to do a little geometry here to kind of get yourself in the right spot. So as you can see here, I'm going to take this angle and I'm going to split this in half because we know that it touches tangently here and it touches tangently here, meaning it meets at a 90-degree angle. Therefore, that angle, this 57-degree angle, can be cut in half, and then I'll tell you what that side is. So imagine this triangle on the top, if you will, and I'm going to take this angle cut in half, so 57 divided by 2, so 57 divided by 2 is going to be that angle, and that's going to give me 28 and a half, so 28.5. So that's my angle for right here. That's the half of this red triangle right there. Okay, that's a nice 90. So I'm going to redraw that triangle over here. So I'm going to flip it upside down, kind of draw it like this so I can see it a little bit better. Always helps me kind of do my math if I can kind of take it away from the context of the problem. So I know that this angle right here is 28.5 degrees. I know that this opposite side is half of this number, which is 0.375, right? So that's 3/8 of an inch. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to find this distance right here. I'll call it x, but it doesn't matter what you call it. I'm going to try to find this x. So when I do that, I'm going to say, oh, okay, opposite and adjacent, that's got to be tangent. So tangent of my angle, 28.5 degrees equals the opposite side, which is 0.375, divided by my adjacent side, which is x. Okay, so that's good. Clear the x's on both sides. So times x times x. That guy's out of the basement. That's not where you want him anyway. So now you got x times the tangent of 28.5 degrees equals 0.375. If I'm moving too fast, feel free to pause it and kind of catch yourself up. All right, now we're going to go ahead and get this x guy by himself, and the only way to do that is dividing this guy out. We're going to get this tangent of 28.5 away, but if I do it on this side in red, yes, I must do it on that side in red. Well, you don't have to do it in red, but whatever. Okay, so they cancel out. So now I have x equals this divided by this, and according to my notes, that should be 0.69. So 0.69 is my value I get there. Okay, so that comes straight from the calculator. Now, so 0.69 is this x value, which in the context of the problem, remember back to the context of the problem, we're talking here. Let me get a highlighter out here. We're talking about this distance right here, from here to here. Now, the part I need goes I want to go all the way out. All right, that's what I want to do. So I need to get this part right here in green from here to the edge. Well, that's just the radius. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add the radius to this guy. So I'm going to go 0.69 plus that radius, half of this again, right, which is 0.375. And that's going to give me 1.066, and that's rounded. Okay. Now, that will give me this part right here. Okay. And this part right here should be the same. So I'm going to times that by 2, and I'll have my two blue sections, which is great. So times it by 2, that's going to give you 2.131, and that's rounded as well. Okay. All right. So now I'm in good shape because I have my two blue sections over here. Right. I got this blue section right here. And I have this blue section right there, and that's equal to this 2.131. So now if I want this y value, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this big long guy, and I'm going to take away this blue guy and this blue guy, and what do you know? That should line up perfectly. And that should be exactly what I want for my y. So, okay. So we have the combined distance of 2.131. So we're going to go 4.708, and we're going to take that away, which is that 2.131, and that should leave me with my y value, which is what my answer is going to be. So when you work that out, and you subtract those two, you get 2.577, and that's rounded, so just, do your best there. And that's it. That's your answer right there. You're done. All said done. Perfectly, nice easy problem there. Okay. So I'll try one more for you, and then I'll call it a day.